This documentary begins with a trailer. Cara David's documentary, Ang Mga Dalagita sa Sapang Kawayan, shows the lives and hopes of young women living in Sapang Kawayan. It contains the stories of their struggle with the daily challenge of life, their dreams, and the trials they face. The documentary concerned the emphasis on their stories aims to provide knowledge and understanding of the condition of women in such a community. Cara David's documentary na Ang Mga Dalagita sa Sapang Kawayan depicts the lives of young women in a particular community. It emphasizes their experience, dreams, and challenges they face in everyday life. This type of documentary is important to show the true condition of some sectors of society and give voice to their stories. Yes, of course, Cara David's documentary, Ang Mga Dalagita sa Sapang Kawayan, deals with the stories and lives of young women in a community in Sapang Kawayan. It shows their dreams, challenge in life, and trials they face every day. It also shows the beauty of working together and trusting each other in the midst of their trials. The documentary is a reflection on the lives of young people in our country, showing their determination and hope despite life's challenges. It inspires and appreciates the resilience and abilities of youth. And that's all. Thank you.